Greetings from beautiful Thailand. I'm here with GoPro and Adidas to take part in the Thai Fit Challenge, where a group of travel videographers come together to experience the country through fun and fit activities. Part 1 of our wild adventure takes place at the Anantara Resort in Chiang Mai, where we ventured out of the city to be challenged to work with elephants for the day. Take a look. The goal of the day was to go beyond the simple selfie and learn about the process of actually caring for these incredible animals here in Thailand. We were each introduced to our own elephant to work with for the day, and like any new friends, we bonded over local food. Boon Gin was a 21-year-old male rescued from a circus who enjoyed a good back massage and long walks in the forest. Throughout our time together, I learned about how to identify an unhealthy elephant, as well as the specific practices of rescue, recovery, reproduction, and reintroduction. And after a long day in the hot sun, we made our way down to the watering hole for a cool bath. Get in there. Once our work was done and Boon Gin retired up to the mountains for the evening, we were allowed to join in on a little playtime.
Oh.
It was the perfect end to a great day with these beautiful creatures.
He's playing dead. He's like, I'm like, no.
Before you go, I just want to say, please, 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 do your research before you go visit an elephant sanctuary in Thailand, or any animal sanctuary for that matter. Elephant tourism in Thailand is becoming a very big problem, and a lot of these places aren't treating the animals right. I'll leave more information about it in the description of this video so you can have a fun and responsible trip like we did to Thailand. Otherwise, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button for new Thailand videos coming up next.